Welcome to Gateway City's Krav Maga Women's Self-Defense Seminar. Every quarter, Gateway City's Krav Maga and its team of highly trained instructors host a seminar focused on violence against women and how to prevent it. These seminars consist of a lecture, fundamental combatives, and self-defense techniques, and simulated practical application of those techniques. The lecture portion covers a wide range of topics, ranging from the psychology behind attacks on women to the difficulty many women often face granting themselves permission to use violence to defend themselves against violence. After the lecture, we move into combative training, which consists of a variety of simple yet effective strikes anyone can use in a defensive situation. We cover a wide range of self-defense techniques in our seminars, teaching our participants how to defend against attacks women could be confronted with in any manner of setting. Gateway City's Krav Maga is fortunate to have a large student body focused on promoting safety in the community. These students come in for the seminars to volunteer their time and their bodies to play the roles of pad holder, partner, and attacker for our participants. And finally, every seminar ends with an opportunity for participants to try out their newly acquired skills in offense and in defense.
What brought me into the Women's Self-Defense Seminar? And the answer is I just wanted to have more tools in my toolbox in case I was ever in that situation.
So what brought me in here today was my girlfriend. My friend Ren, my best friend, her and I like to do lots of stuff together and try new things, and we're both into wellness, and I think self-defense is part of being well.
So was this your first Women's Self-Defense Seminar?
Yes, it was.
And what brought you in today?
To learn about self-defense. I think it's really important that everybody have this type of skill. I have 3 kids, and anything can happen in the parking lot or at a park, anywhere else, and I just want to be able to protect myself as well as my children.
All right.
I think the aha moment would be just to be very alert at all times and to give yourself permission to respond to any threat when you feel threatened.
Our women's self-defense seminars are held quarterly and are open to all women. Check us out on social media or give us a call to get yourself on the list for our next women's seminar. Do what is hard today, do the impossible tomorrow.